Hi, this is Kev from TDN. Today we're going to be reviewing the Edgy Tools hookers. Come in this nice little pouch. Let's pop this open. Inside we have two of the tools. They're both designed to fit onto a slide hammer. So using this, anyone that's come from the body shop background will recognise these instantly. But they are fantastic and being very well received in the PDR trade. Where these are great for is if you're working, let's say, on a front wing or front fender, being able to get through the tiny little gap between the door and the wing to get in there to work that front door edge or indeed the front wing. By connecting this on to our slide hammer, we're able to pull this and it's very, very quick and easy. The other one here we have, so exactly the same design, it's just got a bit more of a loop background in itself, getting up into maybe wing edges, into rear quarters and stuff like that. So yeah, very well used tool and great for bringing out all of those panel edges very quickly and easily. So that is the Edgy Tools hooker set. For more information on this tool, please visit www.tdntools.com, or why not subscribe to our YouTube channel to see many more reviews like this of latest tools.